All right, this problem is as much of a reading comprehension problem as it is a basic algebra question. I want you to pause the video, read through this so you have a pretty good idea of what it's talking about. It might take 2 times through, and then start this going again. All right, so we've got Carlos and Carlos Jr. They're operating 2 hay balers. The older machine, and I want to focus on the older machine. Okay, the older machine bales at 4 bales per minute. Okay, that's its speed. It does 4 hay bales per minute. And I'm going to focus on just the older machine here. Both machines stopped baling 52 minutes after the older machine started. So what does that tell us? Well, for one thing, it tells us the older machine bales for 52 minutes straight. So I'm going to say this. I'm going to say N, that's the number of hay bales that were baled with the older machine. N old equals, well, rate, this is the old rate, times time, the old time. So for the old machine, how fast is it going and how long does it go at that speed? That's how we do this calculation. And let's see what we got here. That's going to be 4 bales per minute times 52 minutes equals, I can do this without calculating. This is 208. Okay, so the older machine does 208 hay bales. Now look at the newer machine. So the number of hay bales from the newer machine. Well, again, set up a rate equation. This is going to be rate of the new machine, which is faster, times the time of the new machine, which if you read the paragraph, you know is shorter. The newer machine doesn't get going until 16 minutes after the older one. Maybe the dad's checking out, make sure his son doesn't run himself over or something. But we got here a rate that is faster. It's a newer machine. So that's 6 bales per minute times less time. Well, the older machine was going for 52 minutes. The newer one starts 16 minutes after that. So it goes for 16 minutes less time. Okay, so that's 6 times, math, 36, I think. 6 times 36 is 216. So the older machine runs for longer, but it still does less overall. What we do to figure this out, the total number of bales, is just N old plus N new, right? So in other words, 208 plus 216 in this example, 424-ish.